Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make local drink, which is kunu. Yeah. So this is sorghums, guinea corn, and millet. So the measurement, keep me quiet. The measurement here is altogether is 9 milk cups. The millet is 4.5 milk cup, and the guinea corn is 4.5 milk cup. So here I have my sweet potato. It's dry one. I dried it myself. So scatter it like this. So I'm going to be pouring water inside to I'll grind it separate. So but I'm going to be adding clove. This is clove. Can you see it well? This is clove. I'm going to be adding some clove. You know, clove is medicinal. It's very good for our body system. And here comes ginger. I'm going to be adding this little ginger. You know, hubby does not like ginger, so I'm going to be putting just some so that it will not be too obvious. It has its own taste in the kunu. So I'm going to be pouring water inside and put it here. I'll be grinding it separate. I'll be taking it to a local grinder where I normally do grind my things as usual. So here it is. I want to save it. Let me turn it together. I want to be saving it. See, it's light. I don't need to add water. I'll just save it like this. I turn it here so that I can save it inside the bucket. So here is my net. Just like the way you saw me saving my custard, it's the same way I'm going to be saving this one. So after saving like this, I'm not going to be adding water. No, I'm going to squeeze it like that. Remember, this is a drink. This is not custard. So that it will not be too watery. So I'm going to be squeezing it like that. Here is the shelf. I'm going to be saving it for the second time. I've rinsed the scarf, this nylon scarf you are seeing. I've rinsed it very well, so there's no sharp. So let's sieve it for the second. So here we go. I've sieve it for the second time. I'm going to be testing it. Like this. There was one particular um ingredient I was supposed to add, but I didn't get it in the market, so I just used what I have. This is just the normal way of doing kunu. Yes, so most people, if they are doing it for sale, they will add water to the shaft before squeezing it. You know, I didn't add water. I just see it like that. I didn't add water, and it is very thick, very thick. So most people, they will add water, and they will still add, there's one sachet milk, they call it milk flavor. They'll pour it inside. Yes, they'll use that milk flavor to thicken it, but they'll put enough water. So they use that milk flavor to thicken it. And again, most people, they use saccharin. You know, saccharin is like sugar. And I heard that that thing is not healthy. It's not healthy for our health. It's not healthy. So most people, they use it because it is cheaper compared to sugar. You know, sugar is very expensive now. They use sugar. They use saccharin instead of the sugar. So, and that is why I hardly buy all these things outside. I do it myself since I know how to do it. So guys, I'm going to be packaging it inside empty bottle waters. Yes, and refrigerate it. Yes. So this, if you can do this, or if you're not a reliable person that know how to do this, you can buy. Yes, buy from a reliable person. Buy from a reliable person. So like this, children can take it to school as juice. This is a natural and organic juice you can ever give to your children. Yes. And if you're a nursing mother, this drink is very, very good for you. And your infant will appreciate you for that. If you take this drink, your infant will appreciate you for that, because you will have a lot of breast milk, not just a lot of breast milk, but qualitative breast milk. So if you're a nursing mother, this drink is the best for you. And it also makes children to add weight. Yes, this drink makes someone to add weight. Yes. So not that some people say adults. No, it doesn't make adults to add weight. Just children. It gives them energy. Gives them energy. Remember, I no put sugar, no add sugar. Just natural sweetener, natural, which is the sweet potato. So let's package it, let's bottle it. So I've bottled it. Remember not to fill it. Don't fill it up so that you can, when you want to take it, you can easily shake it. Then these are the only bottles I have for. So this is the remaining one. I'm going to be covering it and refrigerate all. Make sure you refrigerate it, because if you don't refrigerate it, it will get sour. It will get sour. But as long as it is inside the freezer, your fridge, the taste remain fresh. The taste remain fresh, and it can stay for long. It can stay for months without spoiling. It doesn't spoil. It doesn't spoil. So best serve chill. Oh my goodness, you need to taste this during hot season. Wow, just chill yourself, just cool yourself. So this is my juice. Yeah, anything you like, you can call it. So see you in my next video. Yeah. That's very creamy and delicious, very tasty. Like this, I don't need to add sugar. I don't need to add sweetener because of the sweet potato I use. I use enough of sweet potatoes. So my sweet potato serve as sweetener and sugar as well. Remember, I don't use refined sugar. Yes.